Follow me on Instagram, link in description.
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
I'll watch the rest of it.
Did YouTube star James Charles predict King Von's death? Let's find out. Hell no.
But whenever I see you, and you act like a bad guy.
Stop attacking Charlie, you're just acting dramatic. You're literally the blueprint for being problematic.
I have 500 kids in my attic. It'll be 501 if you keep going at it.
Hey everybody! My sister's pregnant! I'm gonna be a dad!
Ho, ho, ho.
Jingle bells.
That kind of looks like the battle pass.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that looks like the battle pass.
This looks like the battle pass.
Definitely a battle pass.
That shit look like the battle pass.
That's what I'm saying. Google, show me this guy's balls.
Apple, apple, apple.
Iguana. Una iguana muy enojada.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna,
One day, a girl was surfing, and she fell off her board. She said, I'm never going to do this.
Nobody fucking cares. Now look at this.
Yeah, man, I'm out here at work and shit, man. It's finna fucking rain. We got lighting and shit. Let's see if I can catch some fucking lightning. Good y'all.
Guys be like, oh, look at my bicep, look at my abs. Okay, show me your life.
You're missing one key component. What about the nice cock?
Oh, you don't like that? Or do you just not like me? Sorry, I don't treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry, I don't treat you like you're perfect, like all your little...
Hey baby doll. Are you single?
Me?
What that mouth do though?
Yo, Baba, how's the food tasting?
Oh, this stuff is bussin'. Respectfully. No kizzy.
Oh, what about you, Abuji?
Yo guys, here are types of people that I just don't like and I just don't want to be around. Up first, I mean, you guys knew this was coming, but men with beards, I mean, I just can't grow any. Next, we got these kind of people. Bald people. Like, just grow some hair. And finally, God, woman.
They bugging, bro. Why, bro? Bro. She made fucking bang.
What's the craziest thing you've gotten away with? I'll go first. So I threw a huge after prom party at my dad's house while he was sleeping. We were blasting music, playing beer pong, and I even did the nasty in my room right next door to my dad's room. And to this day, he's never found out. Good thing he's deaf.
They bugging, bro. Why, bro? She made fucking bang.